Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. This is me this morning, okay? Excuse me. And this is the aftermath of everything. And I'm feeling 30, okay? I feel good. I don't look good right now, but Sunday. And I just wanted to let you all know that I find the joy in knowing that my partner can fix things. I hit a trash can. This is the result of hitting a trash can. And
I'm sure you all know who hit the trash can.
No, you hit the trash can. You find joy in knowing that you could just fix it for me. And I also want to talk about the investment that we made. We had to do this for simple reasons of we are not wanting to be stuck if anything was to happen. Of course, we got Big Mamba right there that we do live in full time, and of course that having a truck on hand really would be very significant and beneficial. So this actually was great to get, and of course we got the big F. So yeah, that didn't break the bank. It's going to be a learning process, and it's a truck camper. Of course, we wanted a camper, go on trips in, and then we could truck camp. Right now, we do have some projects that we would be recording and showing. Everything has been chill. We got this gate put in for the little Easter mans, and
to the truth. You make me dance, I make me good. You make me you got it all inside of you. Say it to the truth.